Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make soup bowl holders. Gather materials: fabric, batting, rotary cutter, and thread. Cut two 10-inch squares per holder and a 4-inch loop strip. Layer fabric right sides together with batting on top, so a 3/8-inch seam leaving a gap, then turn right side out and press flat. Top stitch edges, sew the loop securely, and test with a hot bowl for safety. Measure and mark your fabric accurately before cutting to ensure consistent holders. Fold fabric in half and use a rotary cutter for clean edges. Cut batting slightly smaller than fabric to reduce bulk at seams. For standard bowls, use 10-inch squares and a 4-inch loop, or adjust for larger bowls. Label pieces to avoid mistakes. Keep seam allowances consistent for neat results and durability when washing. Pin layers together to prevent shifting while sewing and check the loop placement. Sew at a steady pace with a 3/8-inch seam allowance and backstitch at ends for strength. Leave a 2-inch opening to turn, then press and top stitch close to edge for a professional finish. Reinforce the loop with extra stitches and trim loose threads. Test with a hot soup bowl and wash to soften batting. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.